Okay, clase, I'm going to read you this assignment. Okay, you have to translate this into English. This is a portion of the story and it's the last part of the story. Felipe llega a Ecuador. Llega a. On the board I have a va a Ecuador and a llega a Ecuador. Salvador, what is the difference between va a and llega a?
Va is when you're going to Ecuador.
So va a is goes to, and llega comes from llegar.
Arrived in Ecuador.
Arrives in Ecuador, right? Okay, so we know what llega a, what is it?
When you arrive.
Arrives to. Felipe llega a Ecuador y habla con la mujer. Habla, what is habla con? Willie, what is habla con la mujer?
Talks with.
Or speaks with. La mujer is what? What is a mujer? A woman. Mujer is a woman, right? Remember, he's going to Ecuador for what purpose?
A dog.
He needs to buy a dog. A pink dog, right? So, Felipe llega a Ecuador y habla con, speaks, con is with, habla con la mujer de los perros rosados, of the pink dogs. Okay? El chico le dice, right? The boy tells her, hola, ¿cómo estás? What is that in English? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Hello, how are you? La mujer le dice, hola, estoy bien. Hola, estoy bien.
I'm good. Oh, I'm good.
Very good. Hello, I'm good. And then the lady tells him, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas, Salvador?
What are you called?
What are you called? Right? Which means, what's your name? What is your name? Okay. El chico le dice, me llamo Felipe. Me llamo Felipe. See? We got it? Me llamo Felipe in English.
What are you called? What's your name?
Me llamo Felipe. What is that?
Your name is Felipe.
Okay, you keep saying your.
My name.
Okay, so how do we say I'm called? How do we say I'm called? We start with me. There's no se with me. Me llamo, that double L. Me llamo Felipe. I'm called Felipe. Y tú? And we know what y tú means, right? And you? And the woman says, me llamo Dorita. I'm called. Me llamo is I'm called. Right? That's what it literally means, which we understand it to be my name is. Okay? Felipe le dice, he tells her, yo necesito comprar un perro rosado. Yo necesito.
I need.
Comprar.
To buy.
I need to buy. Okay? So, can you guess what he needs to buy?
A pink dog.
A pink dog. Very good. Un perro rosado. Make sure that when you translate, you have good penmanship. ¿Tienes perros rosados? En inglés, por favor.
Do you have pink dogs?
So that one word, tienes, that one word, when it's in the form of a question, it's do you have? ¿Tienes perros rosados? Dorita le dice, tells him, sí, yo tengo muchos perros rosados. Translate into English. Yo tengo. I have. Yo tengo muchos. Remember, I always tell you when it's much with an O, much is a lot. Muchos, plural. Perros, plural. Rosados. If the noun is plural, everything has to be plural. Okay? Yo tengo muchos perros rosados. Me gustan los perros rosados. Me gustan mucho los perros rosados. I like the pink dogs a lot. We got a lot? Yes? All right. Son animales. It looks just like animal, but plural. Son animales especiales. Julie. Son animales especial. And especial is special. Son animales especiales. No? That's okay. Okay. Animales, if you look at the word, you're going to see animal. Son animales especiales.
Special animal.
Okay, so we have special animals. They are son animales especiales. They are special animals. Okay, we're almost done. Felipe le dice, okay, so she says, I have a lot of pink dogs. I love pink dogs a lot. ¿Cuánto cuesta un perro rosado? ¿Cuánto cuesta un perro rosado? Gary? ¿Cuánto cuesta? And we know that cuánto means, what does cuánto mean? How much? ¿Cuánto cuesta un perro rosado? You have an idea?
Yeah.
What is it in English?
How much is one pink dog?
Very good. Fantastic. Now you can say how much does one pink dog cost? Because cuesta means cost.
Is it 1 million? Or
We'll get there. Dorita le dice, Dorita tells him, un perro rosado, one pink dog, un perro rosado cuesta, what did we say cuesta means? Costs $1,000,000 pesos. $1,000,000, and the way you say that properly is $1,000,000 de pesos. Now tell me, how much does one pink dog cost?
1 billion pesos.
1,000,000 pesos. Very good. 1,000,000. Felipe le dice, no hay problema. There is no problem. No hay problema. Yo soy un chico rico. Yo soy un chico rico. Right? So, yo soy un chico rico. I have a lot of money. What is yo soy un chico rico?
I'm rich.
I am chico rico.
Oh,
Yo,
a rich boy.
I'm a rich boy. Okay. Felipe, what is this?
Yeah.
Gives? En español?
Le
Le da. That's gives. Okay, remember that way in the beginning of our first story. This is con. This is le da. Y'all remember that? See? Excelente. Felipe le da la mujer $1,000,000 de pesos. Felipe le da a la mujer de los perros rosados. So the lady of the pink dogs, Felipe gives 1 million pesos. Now, pesos doesn't translate into English. Not like a dollar. A dollar translates, right? Dólar. Dollars, dólares. But pesos remains in its currency. Pesos, in its language. Dorita, what is this? Le da a Felipe un perro rosado muy chiquito. You remember muy chiquito?
Is it very little?
A very small pink dog. El perro rosado es muy cómico. What did we say cómico was? Comic was an O. What is that in English? A comic, a comedian is supposed to be what?
Funny.
Cómico means what?
Funny.
Funny. Excelente. El perro rosado es muy cómico. What is muy?
Very.
Very what?
Funny.
Sí, perfecto. Felipe, remember he's in Ecuador. Now he returns. Felipe, there's the word va a. And what did we say va a means?
Goes.
Felipe va a Lima, Peru. Felipe habla. So he's going to talk again. Okay? Felipe, he's going to talk again with this girl that he likes. Felipe habla otra vez. What is otra vez?
Again.
Again. Felipe habla otra vez con la chica. Y le dice, he tells her, hola, yo soy un chico rico. Tengo 5 casas. See? What is a casa?
Houses.
5 casas.
5.
Yo tengo 5 casas. Tengo 20 carros. See? And you have to spell 20. Okay? Tengo 20 carros. Tengo algo para ti. Now we learned that para ti was what? Para ti?
For you.
Yeah, very good. For you. Tengo is what? I have. Tengo algo. And that's a new word. Algo. Tengo algo para ti. And it's in the video that I posted that you fell asleep watching. Algo is something. I have something for you. Tengo algo para ti. Tengo un perro rosado para ti. We got it? Tengo un perro rosado para ti. You can translate that into English. What is it? Tengo. Again, that word tengo. Yes. Un perro rosado.
A pink dog.
A pink dog. And then we have para ti. Which is, what is para ti?
I have a pink dog for you.
For you. Consuelo está muy feliz. What is feliz?
Happy.
Happy. Very good.
I'm very, very happy.
A la chica, to the girl, le gustan mucho los perros rosados. Okay? She likes pink dogs a lot. We got it? Okay? Consuelo, and this looks exactly like the word it is in English. Acepta. What do you think acepta means?
Except.
See, accept, not accept, accepts el chiquito y cómico perro rosado. So she accepts the small or little funny pink dog. Cómico, remember, think of comic. comedian. A comedian is supposed to be funny. Cómico means funny. La chica besa a Felipe. What is besa? Kisses. Felipe. Excuse me. La chica besa a Felipe. Ellos están felices. They are happy. Ellos están felices. Okay, now, I've read it to you. I composed the story. You learned vocabulary. Now you have to translate this document into English. Adios!